Oh, hi.
You are all ready and steady, and I think you're going to some Sydney beach. Your dress code feels like that.
That's the theme that we had set for the day.
Okay.
अभी क्या करें, घर पे बैठे बैठे इतना पक रहा है, तो we thought I thought that let's dress up tropical, and maybe after the sundowner we can have a cocktail or something.
Yeah, after looking at you, I can, I'm getting those Sydney beach vibes. Chalo chale bhagne.
Of course. You're there only, so you can always do it.
Yeah, I was just waiting for you guys to come so that we could have gone together. It would be fun.
At some point, it was planned this year, but we'll have to postpone it a little bit.
Okay.
That little bit, we don't know how long that's going to be.
Okay, so tell me, what have you combined this amazing, tropical shirt with?
With white pants.
Okay.
I like to break it up a little bit.
Okay.
Still keep it quite summery. Yeah.
Would you like to show it to all the people who are watching right now?
No.
Why not? Come on. You've done so much today. You should. You got ready for my interview.
Yeah, because if I had known that you would ask for something like this, then I would have really worn white pants. Right now, I'm in my shorts. अभी ऊपर के तो दिखना है यार, रुचिका. This is not fair, यार.
Everybody is going to follow you. Everybody is going to do the same now.
Yeah, but this is also quite Gucci and nice and comfortable, no?
It's really good for an interview, sitting at home. Okay.
Exactly. I'm sure most of the people who are doing web conferencing dress up like this only.
Yeah, absolutely. And I surely know that after looking at this video today, people are going to be doing the same again.
Oh shit, हम लोग इतना तैयार क्यों हो रहे थे? Such a waste of time.
Okay, so it's been a long time. I haven't done an interview with you. So I thought of doing something fun. So here we are today doing a fantastic fast quiz with you. Are you ready?
Okay. I'm ready, always ready.
Okay, so let's start. Okay, the first one is Chura Ke Dil Mera. Which movie is this?
अरे यार, मैं खिलाड़ी तो.
Okay, that's right. Okay, let's go on to the next one. तेरा मिलना है जरूरी. ये रात और ये दूरी तेरा मिलना है जरूरी.
और ये दूरी तेरा मिलना है जरूरी. ये तो हमारी बाइबल है यार, अंदाज अपना.
Oh, yeah, correct. I told you.
आपको खाली इसका मुझे डायलॉग बताना है कि कौन से पेज का डायलॉग है, या पेज नंबर बताना है और उसका डायलॉग कौन सा है उस पेज पे. बाकी मैं कर दूंगा.
Okay. चिंता ता चिता चिता चिंता ता ता.
Rowdy Rathod.
Okay, bingo. I think you're doing really well. And okay, let's go on to the next round. I think this one might be a little difficult for you.
Why?
Because I'm going to give you taglines and you have to tell me which brand is this, which ad is this. Asli masale sach.
MDH.
That's good. Okay. दिमाग की बत्ती जला दे.
दिमाग की बत्ती जला दे.
Yes.
दिमाग की बत्ती जला दे. किसी बल्ब का ऐड है, I think.
No.
I'm forgetting this.
You need
I've heard of this, but I can't recall.
You need a hint.
Yeah, please.
It's something you eat.
Something to eat.
Yeah.
Oh, is it a chewing gum?
Yeah, you can say.
Oh no, it's Mentos.
Yes, that's right. Okay, Googly Woogly Bush.
Googly Woogly Bush. Oh shit, I knew this.
Yeah, that's like a famous one.
Is it Huggies?
No. No.
Oh god.
Come on, there's just 5 seconds for you. Come on.
Give me a hint.
It's something you apply.
Is it a face cream?
Hmm.
It can't be a men's face cream, so it has to be.
Hmm.
Is it Pond's?
Yeah, you got it right.
Oh.
Okay,
Pond's.
the next one is हर एक friend जरूरी होता है.
Airtel.
Oh, that's right. And the last one. इसको लगा डाला तो life चिंगा लाला.
Lala, that's Amir Khan sir, so that's Tata Sky.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so the next round. So in this quarantine, I have seen a lot of videos of you going out to do grocery shopping. So I thought to ask you about certain products because you have been, doing grocery shopping. So I'm assuming you know all of this. Okay, so
I don't know.
let's start. Tomato 1 kg. What's the price?
Oh, tomato, I bought it today. So I paid 120 for 3 kg. So 40 rupees.
Oh, that's good. लड़का बहुत
हाँ,
shopping कर रहा है. It's correct.
हाँ, मतलब मैंने ज़्यादा तो नहीं पे किया ना?
नहीं.
He's not charged me more, no?
No. You have paid the right amount.
40 rupees is the correct price. Okay.
Yeah. And then we go on to aloo, potato.
Aloo is the same price as tomato.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
No, I'm not sure. But I think it's almost the same. If it's not 40, then it's probably 50, but it's not too much of a difference.
Okay, you're right. It's 40. And then
It's
go
40.
on to organic moong dal. 500 grams.
Organic. Oh God. Is it
सोचो लगभग.
लगभग 250?
Nah, that's too much.
150?
No, it is 119.
119? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, 500 grams, is it?
Yes.
Okay.
And then one of your favorite, I think, broccoli. I'm sure because you eat a lot of healthy stuff, broccoli must be there. So
broccoli
500
is about 400 rupees a kilo.
Okay.
Is it correct?
Yeah, 200 for 500. Yeah, 200 for
Huh?
500 grams. 200 rupees for 500 grams.
Okay. So there you go. Okay,
That's
perfect.
right. Okay, so you're done really well for the first 3 rounds. I'm going to give you one of your own dialogues and you have to tell me which show is this.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one is
I've not done that many shows, so I'm sure I would remember this one.
चाल को चाल से ही काटा जाता है.
चाल को चाल से ही करना you know what, this dialogue can fit into a Ye Hai Mohabbatein. I can totally visualize the ACP saying it to one of his subordinates. This can be said by Rajveer Bundela from Kavach and can be easily applied in a scene from Qayamat Ki Raat also.
Which one you want to choose?
I would go with Qayamat Ki Raat.
Correct, that's right. Okay.
So this dialogue was used against Kala Sur.
Oh yeah. It was one of my favorite shows. I enjoyed watching it.
Really? Oh wow.
Even my family, we used to sit together and watch it.
usually I have fans. The age ranges between 3 to 11.
Okay.
You're probably my oldest fan.
No, my mom used to watch it. She used to love watching it.
Oh wow!
Her also. We used to love
Oh,
watching
thank you.
it.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. So the next one is, जब इस जॉब के लिए साइन अप किया था तब से खतरे की परवाह करना छोड़ दी.
State of Siege.
Yeah, that's right. I'm going to read something which your co-actors have said about you, and you have to tell me which co-actor is this.
Oh, okay. मतलब अभी सामने आएंगी बहुत सारी चीजें.
No, all good things. Okay, so the first one is, my first thought was that, oh, I know him.
Karishma.
That's right. Okay. Then, one thing that I like about Vivek is that he is always open to new ideas. He will always hear you out if you have something to tell, and he'll be open to suggestions as well.
Oh, that's a tough one. I don't know. मैं किसको आइडियाज दे रहा था? और whose ideas have I been welcoming? I don't know. It's a little tricky. Who is it?
Mona Singh.
Oh, Mona said it. Oh, sweet.
Okay, and now
After all these years, I think after all these years, after almost like 4 years, I'll message her to say thanks.
even that was a very good show, Kavach.
Yeah. Super
I
nice.
have covered a lot of on locations, so I remember my days covering that. Okay.
You miss it, bro. You
Yeah,
miss it.
I
You
miss
on the
it.
set.
I miss it. I won't lie, I miss it.
Do you miss waiting for the actors?
No.
You
That-
miss the tantrums that you receive from actors who feel they have made it,
I
who
am
made it really big,
happy.
mostly because of television. Huh?
I'm
Waiting
so
for
happy.
hours and sweating and just गालियां देना एक दूसरे को, and then when the actor appears like and they won't even have the courtesy to apologize. They would just go straight in.
Yeah,
As
like there are
the-
very few actors who actually, like, if they make you wait, they will genuinely come up and say sorry to you. There are hardly people who would, come and apologize that, oh, I'm sorry, you were waiting for me.
There are two things. One is that you are genuinely waiting for an actor to finish his or her work,
Yeah,
and because they're just genuinely consumed.
yeah,
But then there's the other lot that is just chilling in their vanity or in their makeup rooms, who will not have who just not bothered, or they would deliberately do it. कि हाँ ठीक है, बाहर journalists खड़े हैं तो खड़े रहने दो.
I have had
Important
so many
कराने के
of them. I have had so many of them in my 8 years career. I've
Sure.
seen so many people. But I, usually it's the younger lot. I have seen that people who have been in the industry for 10, 12 years, or even people who have come for 4, 5, 6 years, they're really good. But people who just come in the industry, they see the stardom and they they just, oh, I'm a star now. I can make people wait for me.
That was that's the initial idea that they get hit by, thinking that in order to be a star, that's one of the things, the mandates that you have to do.
Yeah, there are
Yes,
people who
yes,
guide
yes.
them saying that, you have to show tantrums. Like, if the media asks you for bites, don't just say yes to them, Just make them wait. Then they will be behind you and oh, really? Nobody's going to be bothering you. Here you have to enact a small dialogue, okay? But
Okay.
you have to do it in a different language, not in Hindi.
Okay.
Okay, so you have two options. You can select one. One is, आज मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, पैसा है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है? And the
Okay.
next one is, क्राइम मास्टर गोगो नाम है मेरा, आंखें निकाल के गोटियां खेलता हूँ मैं. You select which one.
Obviously, the easier one of the lot is the first one.
Yeah.
But I'm just trying to figure if I was to attempt the second one, how would I describe gotiyan? Okay, so you know what, I don't want to end up sounding very foul, so I'll just go with the first one.
Okay. So which language you want to do it in?
So English,
Okay.
the easiest bet.
Okay.
So I've got enough funds in my bank account. I've got a house. I've got house, shelter, food, all the luxuries, all the comforts of the world. What do you have? Huh? What do you have?
That was amazing. Oh, this is so fun, like after a long time. Thank you for removing time.
I have a lot.
And I'm waiting for the day when you will be here.
Yeah. Soon, yeah. Pretty soon.
Yes, let's hope for that. Okay, so we had a lot of fun doing this. I hope people who will be watching this will have a lot of fun watching it. And we should connect soon again.
Yes, Ruchika, and all the very best with whatever you're trying to do in Australia
Thank you.
with your career. You're figuring out things, and you've already got a lot in your pipeline. Quite ambitious, which I always appreciate in people when they trying to pursue something different. It has not been easy, obviously. When you change suddenly, when you're flourishing, and then at the peak you decide to make a change. Plan an alternative career. It's not an easy thing to do. I've done it myself, so I have all the respect and love and wishes for you.
Thank you
that
so
you
much.
excel in whatever you choose to do.
I'm so glad I have people like you as my friends who are always motivating me and guiding me. Like, I know, like, you're one person, if I get stuck somewhere, I can call up to you and like I can ask you, what should I do next? What should I do next? And you can guide me on the right path. So I'm really happy. Thank you so much for always being the guiding light in my life.
Oh no, please, yeah, you're making me sound too old now. For all the viewers, just to let you know, I'm 10 years younger than Ruchika.
Okay, that's fine. You're 10 years younger. And anyway, Chase, you're losing weight like anything and you look so much young and like, charming and handsome. So nobody knows. आपकी त्वचा से आपकी उम्र का पता ही नहीं चलता.
ये दब का नहीं, लव का कमाल है.
That's amazing. That's good. Okay, so time to go and we'll see each other soon.
Sure. Looking forward.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay. Take care. Bye. Bye.